If you're using ChatGPT and you're getting average or below average results, I see you, and this video is for you. Here, you're gonna learn the 9 most common mistakes that business owners make when they use ChatGPT and how to fix them so you can get great results. Number 9 is the biggest one, and you're gonna be surprised by it. I'm Vin Nguyen, and I'm the co-founder of WorkSmart AI. We help local service-based business owners grow using our custom AI solutions. And I make these videos because I wanna help business owners see the value of AI and not get left behind. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, using vague and one-sentence prompts, like write me a marketing plan. There's 2 major problems with this. The first one is that there's no context. And because of that, the output from AI is gonna be average or even irrelevant to what you're trying to do. It's just gonna give you a general marketing plan that's not really applicable to your business or to your avatar at all. The second major problem with this is the task is too general, vague, and complex. So instead of focusing on the overall marketing plan, zoom in on a specific marketing area. For example, instead of focusing on the overall marketing plan, zoom in one specific area, like Facebook marketing plan, Instagram marketing plan, writing LinkedIn articles. Being clear and specific is the solution to overcoming mistake number 1. Mistake number 2, cramming multiple unrelated tasks into one prompt. What's that gonna do is it's gonna create a lot of confusion for AI to figure out what to do for you. And because of that, your outputs are gonna be average or below average. The solution to this is focus on one task at a time. And if that task is too big and complex, break it down. Chunk it down into smaller tasks and then address it one at a time. Mistake number 3 is expecting the first response to be perfect. That's not a realistic expectation in all cases. The solution to this is to go back and forth with AI until you get a solid output, and even ask AI to ask you questions that it's gonna need to generate a great response for you, and challenge AI if you don't like that. And that's how you're gonna get a better output from AI. Real quick, this is a new channel and we're on a mission to help business owners adopt AI so they don't get left behind. If you found this content helpful, would you please subscribe so that way we can grow and reach more business owners? Thank you. Mistake number 4 is not assigning AI a role. For example, tell AI to act as a world-class expert marketing strategist before you bring a marketing issue and ask AI for help. Why does it work this way? Because AI is trained on mass amount of data. Data ranging from novice all the way to expert. And as you already know, the majority of those data are gonna be average data. So if you don't tell AI to act as a specific role and tell it to act as an expert at something, generally what's gonna happen is it's gonna use the average data as a point of reference versus the expert role that you're trying to tell it to. Mistake number 5, not giving AI proper context to execute your task. AI needs context, and the more context you can give it, the better your output's gonna be. And the solution to this is gonna give AI context. Give it situational context based on the task that you're trying to ask it to do. And then overall context by training AI about your business so it knows what your business is. Imagine if you would hire a marketing consultant to help you with your marketing, but you don't tell them what your business is or who your avatar is. How do you think they're gonna do in helping you with that? Mistake number 6, not giving AI examples. This teaches AI what good looks like. The solution to this is give AI examples, especially if you want the output to come out in a certain way. This really teaches AI what good looks like and to be able to deliver those results to you. Mistake number 7, trusting without verifying. Hallucination can happen. That's when AI doesn't know the answer, but it just makes up the answer for you because it's designed to be helpful and always generate an answer for you. The solution to this is, if the accuracy of the data, of the output is very important to you, make sure you verify it. And also you can tell AI to cite sources for you. Mistake number 8, not using thinking mode often enough. Thinking mode is an option that you can choose that is gonna force AI to think longer and generate a better output for you. My general rule of thumb is, if the task is important and if the task is a bit more complicated, always choose thinking mode. And mistake number 9, the biggest one of them all, is not training ChatGPT on how you want the output to look like or training it about your business. Let me show you this real quick. In your ChatGPT account, in the bottom left-hand corner where it says your name, if you click on that and then click on personalization Under custom instructions, here's what I said for mine. Casual, brief, and concise. ChatGPT should have a strong opinions on topics. Focus on substance over praise. Skip unnecessary compliments or praise that does not have quality information. On a side note, AI tends to do that. So if you don't like that and if you just want your answers to be solid and helpful, give that instruction. Your main goal is to help me be ultra successful in business, so challenge me when I'm wrong and optimize your output for my business success. And the second most important thing that you can do to train your ChatGPT is to answer a list of questions about your business and upload that into ChatGPT and tell it to upload it as a knowledge base. This way, AI is gonna know about your business, and when you're using it, it has the overall context to give you precise and relevant output. To make this easier for you, I've already created a list of questions that you can just simply answer and then uploading that to ChatGPT to train ChatGPT on your business. If you want that, you can grab that for free in my free Skool community. Just check the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.